Welcome to a study of two worlds, the hyper-efficient future versus the gilded past. On one side, we have the square flat, a masterclass in cyberpunk microliving where every millimeter is engineered for the modern nomad. On the other, a $1 million Parisian sanctuary, draped in Haussmann elegance and the whispers of history. Is luxury defined by the seamless logic of technology, or the soulful embrace of heritage? Join us as we dissect the ultimate debate in modern dwelling. Which side of the line do you live on? We begin at the threshold. To the left, a matte black modular cube stands as a monolith of the digital age, punctuated by electric blue LED strips that pulse like a heartbeat. It is private, fortress-like, and undeniably sleek. To the right, the limestone grandeur of 19th-century Paris breathes through wrought iron balconies and heavy, hand-carved oak doors. One represents the speed of tomorrow, the other, the permanence of yesterday. Can a building's face determine your destiny? Inside, the contrast sharpens. The square flat utilizes living-on-demand furniture, a sofa that morphs into the architecture itself, surrounded by invisible interfaces and silent robotics. Contrast this with the Parisian salon, a marble fireplace crackles beneath a sun-drenched chandelier, while velvet emerald tones invite hours of slow conversation. It is a battle between active living and artistic lounging, between high-tech utility and high-art aesthetic. Is your home a machine for living, or a gallery for the soul? The retreat of the bedroom offers two distinct versions of rest. The square flat presents a biometric capsule, optimizing your sleep cycles with integrated atmospheric controls and monochromatic stillness. Meanwhile, the Parisian suite is a romantic dreamscape, featuring a silk-draped canopy bed framed by towering French windows that look out toward the Eiffel Tower. One promises the perfect recovery, the other promises the perfect dream. Do you prefer to optimize your sleep, or indulge in it? In the kitchen, we see the true philosophy of the inhabitant. The square flat is a laboratory of efficiency, hidden induction surfaces, stainless steel finishes, and a focus on the swift preparation of fuel. Across the divider, the Parisian kitchen celebrates the ritual of the meal. Copper pots hang from the ceiling, and a rustic wooden table stands ready for wine, cheese, and hours of culinary passion. It is the clarity of science versus the chaos of flavor. Are you eating to live, or living to eat? Vertical space is utilized with striking difference. The square flat features a glass-floored mezzanine, a floating tech nook designed for VR immersion and digital connectivity. It is a perch for the data-driven mind. The Parisian mezzanine, however, is a classic library loft. Reached by a rolling ladder, it is a sanctuary of paper, leather-bound books, and the quiet smell of old wisdom. One looks forward into the network, the other looks back into the archives. Where do you go to find your focus? The bathroom reveals our most private luxuries. The square flat offers a monochromatic wet room, where smart glass and high-pressure rainfall showers provide a quick, invigorating reset. It is the ultimate power wash for the busy professional. In Paris, we find a freestanding clawfoot tub positioned by a soft-lit window, encouraging the slow, indulgent ritual of the soak. It is a choice between a high-speed refresh and a timeless, scented escape. Is your morning a sprint or a ceremony? Even the entrance speaks volumes. The square flat's front yard is a minimalist gravel path, accented by geometric succulents and motion sensor bollards, low maintenance, high impact. On the Parisian side, the transition is a cobblestone sidewalk where a vintage bicycle leans against the stone, and a small cafe table sits ready for a morning espresso. One is a gateway to the grid, the other is a gateway to the neighborhood. Does your home start at the door, or on the street? From the top, the views diverge. The square flat's roof is a functional platform featuring a drone landing pad, solar arrays, and a synthetic turf zone for high-intensity training. It is a space designed for output. The Parisian rooftop is a zinc-clad terrace, crowded with terracotta pots of lavender and overlooking a sea of iconic chimneys and slate-gray horizons. It is a place for sunset wine and quiet contemplation. Do you want to conquer the skyline, or simply watch it glow? The home office is the cockpit of modern life. In the square flat, we see a triple monitor setup and an ergonomic chair, a high-output workstation built for the global market. It is loud in its productivity. The Parisian study is anchored by a heavy mahogany desk and a vintage typewriter, illuminated by the warm glow of a banker's lamp. It is a room for writing, for thinking, and for the weight of deep work. Are you building an empire, or crafting a masterpiece? Behind the walls lies the hidden escape. The square flat maximizes its footprint with a vertical hydroponic wall and a cold plunge tub, focusing on biohacking and sustainable health. It is a backyard for the body. The Parisian courtyard is a secret garden, draped in climbing ivy with a central stone fountain that murmurs in the shade. It is a backyard for the spirit, hidden away from the world's noise. Do you seek a private gym, or a secret paradise? In the end, design is the physical manifestation of our values. The square flat offers us a life of frictionless speed and digital mastery, while the Parisian apartment offers a life of tactile beauty and historical depth. One is a tool for the future, the other is a treasure of the past. As we close the door on these two worlds, we leave the choice to you. The future is modular, but the soul is classic. Which one are you?